Now today I am going to discuss about the straight line in coordinate geometry. This will be my now fourth lecture. In this lecture I am discussing about the equations of straight line in different forms. So I will begin with equation of straight line. Equation of straight line, which is parallel to x-axis and is at a distance of a units above the x-axis, above the x-axis or below it. I will take both the cases. So equation of a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis and is at a distance of a units above the x-axis or below it. See what is the diagram. Diagram is, this is the x-axis and y-axis. This is x o x dash. This is y o y dash. These are the two axes. Now after these two axes I have a straight line. This is a straight line, right? I have to find the equation of the straight line which is at a distance of a units above the x-axis, above x-axis के ऊपर ऐसे above या below, या यहाँ पर भी मैं डाल सकता था, इसलिए मैंने फिलहाल ये ले लिया. So this is a units distance है इसकी, और ये जो लाइन है एक्चुअली, दिस लाइन, ये लाइन किसने बनाई? ये एक्चुअली लाइन जो है ये है लोकस ऑफ ए पॉइंट. हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है लोकस. लोकस इज अ पाथ ट्रेस्ड बाय मूविंग पॉइंट. किसी मूविंग पॉइंट ने ये लाइन बनाई है. हम मानेंगे दैट मूविंग पॉइंट इज एक्स एंड वाई. हम मानेंगे दैट मूविंग पॉइंट इज एक्स एंड वाई. लेट अस say this x and y be the moving point on the line. Once this is a moving point, I will draw a perpendicular PM on OX. I will draw a perpendicular PM on OX. Yani let PXY be any point on the line. On the line. Let this be the any point on the line. Let PXY be any point on the line. Now you draw perpendicular PM perpendicular on OX. Now if I look at this point, इसका मतलब है यहां से यहां तक हम चले हैं x और यहां से यहां तक हम चले हैं y. इसीलिए हमने इस पॉइंट का नाम x और y रखा है. Now PM किसके बराबर है? y. मगर PM तो A भी है, because A and Y same, because this line is parallel to the x-axis. So जितनी distance यहाँ है उतनी distance यहाँ भी है. So PM is equal to Y. But PM is also equal to A. Therefore Y is equal to A. Therefore Y is equal to A is the equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. This is the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Now you have to remember, any equation parallel to x-axis will be of the type y is equal to a. अगर हम यहाँ लेंगे this direction में, ये हो गया माइन से, तब हमें डिस्टेंस माइन से लेनी है, तब हमें नीचे आना है, तो तब हम लिखेंगे y is equal to माइन से. So in general we'll write y is equal to plus minus a. So y is equal to plus minus a is the equation of straight line. It is the equation of the straight line parallel to the x-axis and is at a distance of a units either above it or below it. If it is above, we write plus a. If it is below, we will write minus a. So in general, you have to now remember y is equal to 4. What is y is equal to 4? It is the equation of a straight line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units above it. y is equal to minus 5. It is the equation of a straight line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units but below it because it is minus. Y is equal to 7. It is the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 7 units above it. If it is minus 7, then it is at a distance of 7 units but below it. If you have y is equal to c, it is the equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance of c units above it. Or if you have minus c, it is below it. So this is the first article, which is about the equation of a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis and is at a distance of a units above the x-axis or below it. Now you have to note this. आप उसको लिख भी सकते हैं, आप उसको नोट करिए and next we'll go to the next. Now next is to find equation of straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units on the left or right of it. Now this is my second article. This is to find the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units on the left or right of it. What does it mean? It means if you have x-axis, you have y-axis. This is x o x dash. This is y o y dash. These are the two axes. And this is the line whose equation we have to find out. ये वो लाइन है जिसकी इक्वेशन हमें निकालनी है, मगर इस लाइन के बारे में क्या दिया है? एक्चुअली जो लाइन होती है दैट्स द लोकस ऑफ ए पॉइंट. बट लोकस क्या होता है? मूविंग जो पाथ बनाता है एक पॉइंट, वो किस कंडीशन पे चलता है? किसी ज्योमेट्रिकल कंडीशन से चलता है. वो ज्योमेट्रिकल कंडीशन क्या है यहाँ पर? दैट दिस लाइन इज ऑलवेज पैरेलल टू द वाई एक्सिस and is at a distance of a units on the right side of it or on the left side of it. ये तो यहाँ से भी हो सकता था. So यहाँ से भी parallel हो सकता है, यहाँ से भी parallel हो सकता है. So it is on the right of it, it is on the left of it. अगर ये ऐसे है तो हम मानेंगे ये distance है a because it is given in the question, this article that the distance is a units on the right of it or a units on the left of it. So let us take this one. ये जो लाइन है किसी पॉइंट में तो बनाई है, कोई पॉइंट तो मूव कर रहा है. देखिए ये पेन का टिप मूव कर रहा है, मैं मानूंगा इस पेन के टिप के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है, लेट अस से द कोऑर्डिनेट्स बी एक्स एंड वाई. अब जो ये मूव कर रहा है पॉइंट, उस पॉइंट के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है उसको मैंने कहा दैट कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दैट पॉइंट आर एक्स एंड वाई. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर पीएम ऑन द वाई एक्सिस, राइट? So let pxy again, let pxy be the moving point, on the line, draw pm perpendicular on y axis. Therefore pm जो है, देखिए pm जो है, यहां से यहां तक हम चले हैं x और यहां से यहां तक हम गए हैं y. अब pm कितना है? pm तो x है, लेकिन pm कितना है? pm तो a है. That means pm is x, but pm is a also. pm is a. क्यों pm a है? क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस सारी तो सेम है, because this is parallel to the y axis. Therefore x is equal to a. Therefore x is equal to a. pm is a, pm is x. That means x and a is same. Therefore x is equal to a is the equation of straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units on the right of it. If it is a units on the left of it, तब distance क्या होगी? minus a. Therefore x is equal to minus a is the another line which is parallel to the y-axis but at the distance here. Therefore x is equal to plus minus a in general. It can be either plus a or it can be in the minus a according as line is parallel to the y-axis on the right of it or line is parallel to the x-axis on the left of it. So this is my second article which you have to remember. X is equal to plus minus a is the equation of straight line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of a units on the right of it or it is on the left of it. Now I will come to another article, that is to find equation of straight line passing through origin, and having slope m. Now this is my another article, this is the third article in straight line. To find equation of a straight line passing through origin and having slope m. Now diagram is like this. You have y-axis, you have x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a straight line, but the straight line is passing through the origin. See, this straight line is passing through the origin, it is given. To find the equation of a straight line passing through origin, origin is this point, it is passing through the origin, origin is O, जिसके coordinates हम रखते हैं 0, 0. Right? And having slope m, और जो line है उसकी slope m है. Now you know slope is tangent of the angle this. अगर ये angle theta है, tangent of this angle, tangent of theta is denoted by m. यानी इसकी steepness जो है, steepness जो हमने measure की इसकी, that is its measure is m. Now what I have to find? I have to find the equation of the straight line. Now you know straight line को किसने बनाया? किसी point ने बनाया, किसी moving point ने बनाया, because locus ही तो हर एक चीज है. कोई भी geometrical figure जो है वो locus है किसी न किसी point का. तो अगर ये point बना रहा है line, देखो ये move कर रहा है ये point, चलो ये at an instant इस point यहाँ पर पहुंच गया. हमने कहा कि let pxy be any point on the line. यानी let pxy be any point on the line. Let pxy be any point on the line. What you do? You draw a perpendicular PM on OX. Draw PM perpendicular on OX. Draw PM perpendicular on OX. See, this is the perpendicular. Therefore, OPM is a right angled triangle. Therefore, OPM is a right angled triangle. And this theta is the angle between between the line and the positive direction of the x-axis. Let theta be the angle which straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis. मैं ये डिटेल में लिख रहा हूँ because so that you can understand easily what I am actually writing at what is my purpose. Let theta be the angle which a straight line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, from right angled triangle OPM, what is tan of theta? Tan of theta किसके बराबर है? Tan theta is perpendicular by base, that is PM by OM, which is equal to PM is the height. See, this is height and this is x. Because अगर हमने इस पॉइंट का नाम रखा है xy, उसका मतलब है यहाँ से यहाँ तक हम x गए हैं और ऊपर हम y गए हैं, ताकि हमने इसका नाम y रखा, इसका नाम x रखा. So that is y divided by x. Because PM is y and OM is x. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta represents slope of a line. But slope of a line is m. So instead of tan theta, I can write m. So I can write y is equal to y by x. M is equal to y by x. I can write instead of tan theta, मैंने m लिखा, is equal to y by x. Y by x. Cross multiply. That is y is equal to mx. So what is y is equal to mx? Y is equal to mx is the equation of straight line. This is the required equation of the straight line. To find the equation of straight line, what is the equation of straight line? It is y is equal to mx. So what is y is equal to mx? It is the equation of straight line passing through origin, and having slope m, So this is how to represent, how to prove what is the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and having slope m. Now you remember one thing, only one thing matters here, that is slope. Because already we know that line is passing through the origin. Therefore, if I write y is equal to 5x, what is this? y is equal to 5x. It is the equation of a straight line passing through the origin but having slope 5. What is y is equal to 1 by 2x? It is the equation of the straight line passing through the origin but having slope 1 by 2. What is y is equal to under root 3x? It is the equation of the straight line passing through the origin but having slope root 3. So this is how to represent the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and having slope m. Now, one more thing is to find the equation of straight line which does not pass through the origin. इससे पहले जो मैंने बताया कि इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन जो कि ओरिजिन से गुजरती है, अब इक्वेशन ऑफ जो लाइन है अब वो ओरिजिन से नहीं गुजर रही है, डज नॉट पास थ्रू द ओरिजिन, मेक्स एन इंटरसेप्ट c on the y-axis. I will explain you what it is. And having slope m. Now again two things are given. One thing is it makes an intercept c on the y-axis and the slope is m. एक चीज इसमें है कि इंटरसेप्ट c बनाता है on y-axis और उसकी स्लोप जो है वो m है. देखिए क्या मसला है. Now x-axis, y-axis. Now I will take line like this. This is the line. See, this line does not pass through the origin. अब जो मैंने लाइन ली है वो मैंने origin से नहीं गुजारी. To find the equation of a straight line which does not pass through the origin. देखो ये वाली लाइन अब origin से नहीं गुजर रही है. फिर क्या हो रहा है इस लाइन को? ये लाइन origin से बाहर गुजर रही है. देखिए और क्या कर रही है? origin से यहां तक उसने एक इंटरसेप्ट बनाया. ये इंटरसेप्ट है. OL is called an intercept. Intercept on y-axis. It makes an intercept C on y-axis. C means इसकी लेंथ जो है वो C है. यानी यहां से यहां तक जो डिस्टेंस है OL डिस्टेंस जो है वो हमारे पास C के बराबर है. So what you have to write? You have to write, let us consider a straight line which does not pass through the origin and which makes an intercept C on the y-axis. Let us take any point. Let us take any point xy on the line. Let us take any point xy on the line. Let pxy be any point on the line. Okay? What is this point? This is the moving point. Actually इसी point से ही line बन रही है और ऐसे 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 move कर रही है. Point ऐसे move कर रहा है और line बन रही है, लेकिन line origin से नहीं गुजर रही है. Line एक intercept बनाती है C on the y-axis. What I will do, I will draw a perpendicular PM on OX. यानी PM is perpendicular on OX. And I will draw LT perpendicular on PM. LT is perpendicular on PM. Now, let us suppose this angle is theta. यानी let us suppose this straight line makes an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis. That is the concept of slope. Slope निकालने के लिए मुझे पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस का एंगल पता होना चाहिए. मैंने एज्यूम किया लेट दैट एंगल बी थीटा. सो लेट थीटा बी द एंगल which straight line makes with positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. Right? Therefore, PLT is a right angled triangle. Therefore, this PLT is a right angled triangle. This is base, this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. And from this right angled triangle, I can find tan theta. Why tan theta? Because slope. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is PT. And base is LT, right? This is further equal to, what is PT? Now PT is PM minus TM. It is PM minus TM upon LT. LT means OM. LT is OM because LT and OM is one and the same thing. Now this is further equal to PM as it is minus TM. This TM is equal to LO. See, TM and LO is same. This is LO divided by OM. So हम यहाँ पर पहुँच गए. Now what is this tan theta? This tan theta is M. You know, it is equal to. What is PM? PM is the height. Height is Y. So instead of PM, I can write Y minus LO is C. देखिए, this is the intercept. LO is C. So I can write C here. Divided by OM is X, because this distance is X and this distance is Y. This is X and this is Y. So this is X. Now what I will do, I will cross multiply. That is MX is equal to Y minus C. That is Y is equal to MX plus C. That is Y is equal to, इसी यहाँ shift करेंगे, this will be Y will be equal to mx plus c is the required equation of straight line. So this is the required equation of the straight line. So what you have to remember? You have to remember that any line which does not pass through the origin but which makes an intercept c on the y-axis and having slope m, because tan theta is m. So instead of this tan theta, I have put the value m, right? And what is the equation of the line now? Y is equal to mx plus c. Now you remember, y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of the straight line which does not pass through the origin. Now if it passes through the origin, suppose अगर ये line origin से गुजरती, तब c का वैल्यू क्या होता? c तो खत्म हो जाता, c का वैल्यू 0 हो जाता. जब c का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा तो ये बनेगी y is equal to mx, ये पुरानी वाली इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. यानी y is equal to mx is the equation of the straight line passing through the origin. लेकिन अगर c है तब ये origin से नहीं गुजर रही है. This is the very important equation of straight line, and this equation is called slope intercept form. This is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. यानी इसमें एक slope है और इसमें एक intercept का इस्तेमाल होता है. So once you know the slope and you know one of the intercepts, you can find the equation of the straight line which makes an intercept c on the y-axis and having slope m.